Right. So sorry about that. Computer just, man, I don't know what the heck's going on. It's the second time they've done that to me. And of course, just as the thing died, I I used the hotkey to enter a trade. So, um, yeah. Uh, all right. So, gonna try again. Let's see. Okay, so thankfully, so I got into a micro gold trade. I got in on this candle here at this blue line. Had to endure. So on if you look at the 3 minute, it drew down and then came back up, but we spent most of the time in drawdown. It got up to here. Oops. And we closed it around there. Let's see, closed it at, yeah, so we got in at 353 and a half, and we closed it at 356.8. So, uh, over 3 points. So that was a nice trade. Um, Thankfully, this volume picked up. But that was a nail biter because damn computer. Man, it's one of those things, the story of my life, man. If something can go wrong, it will go wrong. So, all right. So we closed it as closed it at the peak of the move. Um, it was a win. It wasn't pretty, that's for sure. Not at all. It was awful. Oh, yeah. Got a fan on. It's blowing everything away. Need some paperweights. Okay, so let's get back to it, I guess. Uh, Oil's selling off. Reversal. Let's see what the indices doing. Come on. Sure. Yes. Thank you. That's all. Alright, so it looks like alright, so let's check out the Russell. So I am trading smaller sizes today, just mainly because of the volatility at the all-time highs and whatnot. But the Russell is a pretty small tick size. Oh boy. Yeah, looks like we've missed most of this move. But we just had a big red candle there. Outlier volume, so I mean it's still going. So let's see what we can do here. See, one contract is 4 points. Let's get this down. Let's see. What's there? Two contracts is 2 points. It's really going to be whether or not we can get a pullback as to whether we're going to trade one or two contracts. I think I'm going to stick with one. I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback here. There we go. There we go. That was a little fast. That was a little fast. I am in 243.6 is my entry. And that went right against me. 6. All right, stopped out on that one. Yeah. That sucks, man. Like that was brutal. Let's see, we're gonna have a increase in volume. Definitely outlier. Suck. All right. All right, I'm in 46. And again, it's just against me. My stock is 255. 250. Well, really, it should be. Well, yeah, 250. Should be 250, not 255. All right. Let's see. Good candle shape. Still got 3 minutes to go. A decent volume. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing. There we go. There we go. Keep on pushing. Nice, nice. 3 points. 3 points. Let's see if we can push it again. 3, 5. Closed it. So we got, yeah, a little over 3.5 points on that one. So if we can break below the low, the previous candle, if we can set a new low, we can use the aggressive method. But right now we don't have a new low. So we're not trading that. But everything looks like it's pretty much selling off. Well, except for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's not falling. All right. Well, what else do we got? Gold still increasing. Oil kind of ripped up. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know. It'd be interesting to see what happens with the Russell. We are below yesterday's close now. Or into yesterday's open. So we might touch down here and then bounce back. But we're definitely seeing support around here. And let's see, yeah, major there. They're doing that. All right, let's see if we can get a reversal here. Be willing to look at oil. That's a giant fuck you candle. But we got outlier volume and everything, so I mean maybe we get a small pullback here. We didn't break above on outlier volume. See, like this triangle indicates that we broke above on outlier volume. Outlier meaning the volume was greater than the average, which is this blue line. So come in here. Let's see, 2 contracts is 10 ticks. We're not even there. If we zoom in here. So that makes me nervous right here. I think we gotta wait for this to resolve. That's highest, one of the highest volume bars. Granted, it is a weak bear. Yeah, look at this. Oh, bam, just flushed. All right, so if we go back to our higher time frame, yeah, there we go. So we just invalidated this high volume candle. This high volume candle wasn't really green. If you look into it, it was this right here. Boom, that stuffed it. So no trade. All right. So I wonder if we'll see a reversal. So this is a triple break. So you got one break up, it closed up, one break, two breaks, so that's a double break. Then you've broken again, three breaks of your opening range. Yeah. So we're we're not doing anything now. It doesn't know what it's doing. All right, moving on. But the VIX is going up. This morning it was 16.8, I think it was at. All right. Looks like the Nasdaq's finally doing a little selling. And there's nothing here. I mean, it's just a giant range. Like, ooh, I mean, you could trade this. It is a 70-point range. 70-point range, average candle size being 23 points. So, I mean, you'll get 3 candles out of it. Let's check out the S&P. Oh, yeah. So we're already done 51% of our daily range has already been chewed up. Russell, 78% of the range has been chewed up. So, I mean, it wouldn't surprise me to see a reversal come in here, especially on the Russell. I mean, we are way out. Let's go to the 5. So that's a big bear. Pushed off. So we'd have to break this. I mean, we could see some high volume come in. So let's see if we set this up. Target, target. So if we can close above these, maybe we got something. So if that was good volume here, decreasing volume, decreasing volume. We still got 3 minutes on a 5-minute candle. So we can probably see some increase in volume here. There we go. All right. So what do we need? 44, 46. 4 points would get us to 48. 9. Yeah, I'm not ready to pull that trigger. And we still got a lot. We're only halfway through the candle. We don't have increasing volume yet, so I'm not here. We need to wait. Let's see. S&P just put in a big candle, but none of it's increasing volume. We zoom in. So that's increasing volume. It's extremely weak bear with outlier volume. Let's get that out of it. So we get a pullback. Let's see. What are we? 44. Go back to 2 points to 46, 46, 9. We just had that. We've still got 2 minutes, so patience. Patience, Danielson. Patience. Pull back, but then if we could get the volume on the increase, that would be great. We don't have a higher high yet. Let's see, so 4 points would put us at 48.9 right there. Which would be a single contract. So we can come and touch the green and come back a little bit. Come back under. See, we're not making new highs. Ever so slightly. Oh, gold made its reversal. Alright, so not an inside bar, but not much better. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so we have invalidated our reversal here. That's out the window. We have aggressively invalidated that. Put that there. So I mean, we can certainly trade it to the downside. Yeah, you're gonna have to wait for that candle to close. All right, so back to the 5. I guess, looking at the 5, it wasn't much of a reversal. It was just a pullback. So we're just waiting. There we go. All right. There you go. That's a breakout. What contracts? So we'll just do 20. So it's 43. Somewhere around there. And that's a pretty strong candle. But I mean, we're just at the bottom of the range, though. We did break below the range, but nothing crazy. Yeah, so this is our big selling candle right there, and you are basically at the bottom of the range. We got to see this thing close below